Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to give a brief overview of the width mate in SolidWorks. The width mate constrains a tab between two planar faces. The tab reference can be two parallel plane faces, two non-parallel plane faces, or a cylindrical face. The width reference can be two parallel planar faces or two non-parallel planar faces. Here we have a simple bracket and spinner assembly with a concentric mate between the hole in the blue bracket and the green spinner's central axis. We want to center the spinner's central body in the bracket. To do this, we'll use a width mate. To create a width mate, click the Mates icon in the Command Manager. In the Feature Manager tree, expand the Advanced Mates tab and select the Width Mate icon. For the width selection, we're going to pick the upper and lower faces of the bracket channel. For the tab selection, we will pick the top and bottom faces of the center disk and hit the green checkbox to create the mate. Now the assembly is fully defined. The width mate has additional options for the constraint as well. Centered will center the tab between the two width faces. This is the default selection for the width mate. If we change the constant to free, we see that the part can be moved within the confines of the width selection faces. The dimension constraint sets the dimension between the tab and width reference face. Let's set it to 0.25 inches. To toggle between the faces, you can click the flip direction box. Percent is like the dimension constraint, only instead of a linear dimension, you're entering a percentage of the distance between the two width faces that you want to set the tab to. Let's set it to 35%. As with the dimension constraint, you can flip the dimension reference for the percent constraint as well. This concludes our quick overview of the width mate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get notifications about future videos. If you would like to learn more about SolidWorks mates, please be sure to check out the mates playlist on the Krawchuk Industries YouTube channel.